Wow, look at this place, man. It's insane. Is it Ireland I can see in the distance? Wow, okay.
So, it's been a minute. 3 years since the last video, in fact. Lots happened since then. Long story short, I'm building hours towards my commercial license, and I've bought a share in an aircraft. So this is the first of many videos, hopefully, in this 1974 Grumman Traveler that we like to call Bubbles.
Spin around. Traffic in sight on the downwind. Good. Golf Lima Sierra taking off runway 07.
905 knots.
Airspeed's alive. Temperature's pressure still on the green. There we go. Bit more right rudder. Take that, gravity. Oh man, it's good to be up. It's been so long since I've flown solo. Right, only once actually since getting my license, and that was a long time ago. Well, it feels like a long time ago. Man, Sky Demon is so good for airspace awareness. It really reduces the workload. Keep climbing to 3,500, then level off. It's a nice smooth day actually. I'm not having to retrim a lot apart from when I mess it up myself. He says, retrimming. The mountains always look amazing though. I can't wait to fly in the winter again. I love the snow on the mountains. Nice smooth air, good engine performance as well. It's awesome. Right. I'm not flying alone as such. Today we have Goose. Goose is keeping me company on this solo flight. I promised my son I would take pictures of him in Islay. He's dying to come flying as well, so. It's not just planes that need fuel. Today's in-flight snack is a protein bar. I mean, you could argue I'm tanked up already, but you know, there's a reason for that. I like eating. This is the local flying area for Glasgow Airport and surrounding places sometimes. I did most of my original training over Loch Lomond. It's a beautiful place, but can be busy, so head in a swivel and all that. Man, I'd talk to myself even if there weren't cameras here. Or, I'm talking to Goose, you know. Talk to me, Goose. Gonna change tags before our climb because we've done the takeoff and the majority of things along here on the way, so that'll be 20 minutes. Changing to right tank. Fuel pressure is holding. Fuel pump off. Fuel pressure still holding. Okay. And I'll lean the mixture once we get to the top and climb. Okay, we can level out there. Let the speed come up. Let's see that we're trimmed properly. We are not, obviously. And we'll just turn around a little bit. Okay, let's lean the mixture. That'll do fine. Look, Gilphead's there. On the, well, not on the nose, about 1 o'clock. Just in that little cove there. Arran is fantastic. I wish they had an airstrip. It's just, yeah, it would be great to go and land there. 10 minutes to Jura. And this will be the furthest I've flown west.
Golf Lima Sierra, when ready to put you in Islay.
Golf Lima Sierra, 10 minutes to run to Jura. And we are at 4,900 on 1012. Golf Lima Sierra.
Roger, and you are landing Islay though.
Affirm, landing Islay, go from Sierra.
Roger.
Scottish information, Golf Bravo, Bravo Lima Sierra, changing frequency to Islay on 123.155.
Golf Lima Sierra, Scott continuity and contact Islay, making 123.155, goodbye.
Roger, contact Islay and squawk continuity. Golf Lima Sierra. Just watch these clouds. Wow, look at this place, man. It's insane. Is it Ireland I can see in the distance? Wow, okay. Island information, Golf Bravo, Bravo Lima Sierra.
Bravo, Bravo, Lima Sierra, information. Good afternoon, radio check. How do you read?
Reading 4, Golf Lima Sierra.
Roger, Golf Bravo, Bravo Lima Sierra. Surface wind is 160 degrees at 090 knots. It's okay. Temperature is +15, 2.46, elevation 1010. Runway use is runway 13, special elevation is 2
QNH 1010, runway 13 in use, Golf Lima Sierra.
Golf Lima Sierra is a basic service as known traffic to expect. Report visual with TV.
Roger, and basic service coasting in on the north of Islay in 2 minutes at 3,500. Golf Lima Sierra.
Roger, that's cool.
Golf Lima Sierra, beam Fillmore at 1,600 descending and planning left base for runway 13 to land.
Roger, Golf Lima Sierra, you can report finals for runway 13.
Report final, runway 13, Golf Lima Sierra. There's a distillery over there. First stage of flaps. Flap symmetrical. Well, let's get slowed. Runway in sight.
Golf Lima Sierra, runway 13, surface wind 160 degrees, 8 knots, land at your discretion.
Land discretion, runway 13, Golf Lima Sierra. Okay, could be worse. Golf Lima Sierra vacating left on Bravo 3.
Roger.
I hope you enjoyed that. I'll try my best to show you more of the places that I go to see next time. And I'm editing a video flying a 1943 Piper Cub that actually saw service in the Second World War, so that's going to be fun. Stick around for that. Hit all the buttons you know you're meant to. I'm not going to go through it, but cheers. Catch you later. That's an improvement.